Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about looking to different browser options.
Let's watch this amazing video.
If you want to search in internet, we are having different browsers. Every browser has in prawns as well as crons. So most of the people has a preferred browser. Generally I'll prefer Chrome. My friend will prefer Microsoft Edge. So before we are going to develop any website, we need to check our website was working in multiple browsers or not. So that's why I'm making this video how HTML and the tags was working in multiple browsers and what are the browsers are having in outside. Here I'll show some of the browsers. I'll show first of all Internet Explorer. For a long time it is one of the most popular browsers because it was pre-installed on Microsoft Windows. So if you are using Windows, this browser was pre-installed and it was platform dependent. It is the drawback. Actually it doesn't automatically works on Mac. So it's like working. You can see that if you want to search in Internet Explorer, you can search very easily. This is one of the browser. Another browser which is called Microsoft Edge. In 2015, the new Windows 10 operating system included this Microsoft Edge browser. Actually, Edge is meant to replace of Internet Explorer. Now everyone using Microsoft Edge, the Internet Explorer. Now no one using, I can say that. Next browser which is called Google Chrome. Generally I'll use Google Chrome very much, and Google Chrome was developed by Google, first released in 2008 for only Microsoft Windows. Later it was related to Linux, Mac OS, iOS and also Android. Generally when compared to other browsers, Google Chrome having higher security, so that's why many people preferred this Google Chrome browser. To test any website, first I'll test in Google Chrome because I love to use Google Chrome. Just comment in comment section that which browser you are using. Next browser which is called Firefox. It is free and open source browser developed by Mozilla and it was available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. One thing I want to see that browser should have keyboard functionality, support HTML5 tags and support features for technology. And I want to show one website. In this website we can review which browser we are using, which browser supports the tag and everything. The website is www.html5 accessibility. So I'm keeping this link in description, no need to worry. So www.html5accessibility.com. So in this website you can search, so you can see that how many members are using and how many supporting HTML5 tags up to August 2020. You can see that. So HTML5 tags, the new tags in HTML5 were supported Microsoft Edge 100%, and coming to Chrome it's like a 98% and Mozilla 94 and Internet Explorer 56 and Safari 97. Actually I'm not using Safari. Generally I'm not using. And you can see that the accessibilities, and you can see the article tag was supported in Chrome as well as Microsoft Edge, and Internet Explorer was not supported this article tag. And you can observe that all the tags, the time tag was also supported in Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla and Safari. So you can see that. So that's why it was saying that 56%. This is the website to check which tag was supported in which browser. So before using HTML5 tags in your code in your website, just check which tag was supported in which browser. That's it. Just simple. Finally you got one clarity regarding this video, why I made this video. Because browsers can vary how well they are HTML5 standards. Suppose if you developed a website, if you same website if you open in Chrome, it was very clear. If you open in Mozilla Firefox, it was the margin, alignment, everything was changes, because we need to develop website for every browser, not for particular browser. That's why I made this video. I think we need to consider different versions of browsers also, then we need to write the code related to that. I'll come with another tutorial which is editors to create a HTML file.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with some new videos and new tutorials for you.
video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share